How to use credit repair membership programs properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Credit repair membership programs can be a powerful tool, but most beginners use them incorrectly and end up wasting money. You won't believe how small mistakes can stall progress or even hurt your credit score. The first mistake is signing up without understanding what's included. Programs often offer credit monitoring, dispute assistance, and educational resources. Know exactly which services are available and how they work before committing. Another common error is expecting overnight results. Repairing credit takes time, sometimes several months. Beginners often get frustrated and abandon the program too soon, which prevents long-term improvement. Many users fail to provide accurate information. Membership programs rely on correct personal and financial details to monitor accounts and dispute errors. Mistakes here can lead to ineffective actions or missed opportunities. Surprising mistake is not actively using the educational resources. Credit repair programs provide tools, tips, and guidance. Ignoring them wastes the program's value. Learn how to manage credit responsibly to prevent future issues. Finally, beginners often overlook recurring fees. Membership programs may charge monthly, and skipping payments can suspend access or stop ongoing disputes. Keep track of billing to avoid interruptions. To properly use credit repair membership programs, understand the services, be patient, provide accurate info, actively learn from resources, and maintain payments. Avoiding these mistakes ensures your credit score steadily improves and you get the most out of your membership.